So I'm actually drawing my OCs. But now I'm finished with this, so second page, I guess. This is just a video, okay? Please, 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 don't blow our mind. Please, please, please. So I'm having screen time limit, so you're welcome guys for having my I would not even celebrate if I didn't have this many subscribers. I made this by straw. Guys, look how tall I get. No edits. Oi. Gosh, my dog there. That's just my dog, okay? Coco boy. He's the cutest dog ever. 2025, I'll show him. Or I already did. Where's my dog? This is not his room, okay? This is just like the for a video, I guess. But why do I sound so cringe? People say I'm cringe, but a long time ago at a video, somebody called me cringe. I'm offended. Super offended. You see my face now? This is what I look like when I'm offended. I'm gonna poke you with this. You're gonna be my next school. You're gonna be my next victim of mine. No joke. I just want you to shut up. Eat paper, I guess. Hey, there's a blank box. I hate you so much. Oh! Guys, you okay? Guys, you okay? Yeah? Okay. Little card from my mom. Heart. Oh. Heart. I love you. Love you, Ma. I hope she comes back from work. I'm pretty worried if she's dead. So come on with me, guys.
Pero hindi ba ako mag-ano sa college? Hindi ko din sa business. Eh, nga, parang ipopost ko yung sarili ko doon kaya saka matapunta ako sa...
Wala namang madaling birthday.
Kasi gusto niyo yung Nino Kevin na nandun ako. Pero kung hindi tayo talaga may-post ko na lang yung rin ako ngayon. Ayoko, wala ko talaga madadali sa kitchen. Except na lang ako sa cruise ship ka.
Sa ano? HM?
Kung mag-cruise ka, tangay na. Siguro doon mong malakas ang resistensya mo. Kasi
Bawal na dumati sa cruise ship.
Oo.
Bumakarte ako eh.
Si Sydney kasi hindi na siya nag-cruise ship eh. Ang alam ko sasabay siya kay Tete.
Ano ba kinuha nila?
Accountant. Si Tete, si Brod, si Ninong,
Maayos pa yung broad.
si Franz yun tayo.
Tete kasi.
Ako din, sino ba yun? Gumagal ako dati.
Ang pangalan eh. Ano ba yung sino yung isa mong ano? Yung pinagtatawanan ni Daddy, yung pangalan.
Sili?
Hindi. Parang iba ata yung second eh. Yung elementary pa ata.
Si Prodante!
Rodante ba yun?
Nabaka.
Oo!
Kilala mo ba yun si Prodante? Ang ina nung may sayad yung hinayupak na yun eh. Ang ina si probinsyano yun eh. Nabaka. Ano itsura nun?
Saan pala nakatapat?
Ang itsura nun, sobrang kapal